القرآن للذكر فهل من مدكر.
Alhamdulillah wa kafa wa salatu wa salam ala nabi. So welcome to lesson number 9. In lesson number 9 we will be covering the lesson of Ikhfaa. Ikhfaa, which is translated as the hiding. So the Ikhfaa is a rule which occurs a lot in the Quran, and it has many different aspects to the Ikhfaa. So that's why you must practice this. Number 1, learn all its rules, of course, and number 2, practice it extensively in its different conditions. So let's have a look at the Ikhfaa. So this lesson will cover the Ikhfaa, the hiding. And the hiding is, Ikhfaa is, this is when the Noon Sakin or Tanween is followed by one of 15 letters. So what is the definition of Ikhfaa? When the Noon Sakin or Tanween is followed by one of the 15 letters of Ikhfaa, we will hide the sound of the Noon and apply the Ghunnah. So we'll hide the sound of the Noon and apply the Ghunnah. Of course, as we know, the last sound of Tanween is the Noon Sakin sound. So this is why we hide the Noon Sakin within the Tanween as well. So what are the 15 letters? The 15 letters are Ta, Tha, Jim, Dal, Dhal, Zai, Sin, Shin, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Fa, Qaf, and Kaf. So the Ikhfaa can occur in one word, or it can be between two words, or between two words. So it can be in a single word, or it can be within between two different words. And of course, we'll look at these examples in the next videos. Now, one thing to consider regarding the Ikhfaa. The Ikhfaa is a complex rule with different nuances which need to be learnt and practiced well by the student. So it is very, very important that once you learn all the different rules of Al-Ikhfaa, that you put it into practice as soon as possible, because only through practice will something become perfect. Practice makes perfect. So also, because of the different nuances, it is imperative that you watch the different videos to understand this rule properly. And inshallah, in the next video, we'll have a look at the different rules.
Salam Alykum. Be sure to download your free implementation workbook. We go through it step by step. All the videos correspond with it. We have laid it out very strategically so you can master Quranic Tajweed and Quranic Mastery and implement it while you go along. Okay, so be sure to download this, and it will help you on your journey. It's free to download. The link should be in the description. Assalamu alaikum. If you enjoyed this video, guys, please like this video so we know you enjoy it, as we can make more. Please write a comment and tell us what you thought about the lesson. And don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Jazakallah. Assalamu alaikum.